This is Ian, author of Twitter in 30 Minutes. Today I'm going to show you how to completely remove references to a certain person or an activity on Twitter using the desktop version of Twitter in a browser. If this video helps, take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get going. And I'm going to pick on James Corden here, not because James Corden's a bad person. I actually think he's a pretty good late night TV show, but for some reason recently on Twitter, he's been showing up a lot, too much. It's actually clogging up my feed as other people mention him, and I just don't want to see any more mention of him, either his account or James Corden, his name at all. And this is how to do it. You can actually mute people and mute mentions of certain words, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So go to twitter.com, log in, go to More, and then go to Settings and Support, Settings and Privacy, then select Privacy and Safety, and then select Mute and Block. Manage the accounts, words, and notifications that you've muted and blocked. So one thing I can do is I can go to blocked accounts and I can add James Corden's account to it. But what I'm actually going to do, I'm just going to mute a specific word. And you can see, actually, I've already muted a couple words. These are words that were just showing up too often in my feed, and I just got tired of seeing them. And not because I don't like Dolly Parton or Serena Williams or the Broncos or breaking, just for some reason it's just too much and I just needed to mute them so I'm not distracted by that. I'm going to do the same thing that I did for Dolly Parton with James Corden. I'm just going to click on the plus icon and enter the word or phrase. Now I could type James Corden, that's how he spells his name, and then save it. The problem with that though is that sometimes people don't use his first name, they just use his last name. So for that reason, I'm going to use just Corden. Notifications from people I don't follow. Also, I can set the duration. So let's say that James Corden, he's undergoing like just for this week because for some reason, he's hosting an event and he's always showing up. So what I could do is I could just say just for 7 days. I could also do it from people I don't follow. So that could be someone's retweeted or it's showing up in search results. But actually, I just want anyone from mentioning it. And then I'm going to click Save. So I muted Corden. And actually, if you click the back arrow, click Muted Words, and you can see it. Corden, 7 days. Then if I change my mind, I can click Unmute. But actually, because it's 7 days, all I need to do is wait for 7 days, and he will be gone. He will be back in my feed if people start tweeting about him again. If this video helped you out, check out my book, Twitter in 30 Minutes. It's available from in30minutes.com. Also, if you like this video and it helped you out and you want to see more of them, like the video and then follow me on YouTube. I usually have 2 new videos every week. I try to break down mildly complex topics in ways that anyone can understand. This is Ian signing off. Thank you so much for watching.